Hey guys, one of the key fundamentals towards batting, building a strong defense and facing better bowling is the ability to know where your stumps are and to leave good bowling or defend good bowling. Okay, why we take guard on middle and off stump or leg stump is to know where our stumps are. Okay, and it's actually important to practice leaving good deliveries so you can get more comfortable with knowing where your stumps are. I'll show you how to do that. So a great way to practice leaving good bowling is setting up a bowling machine, okay, to a really good area. We don't always like to use bowling machines, but you can set it up to a really good area around off stump, and then your partner can slightly adjust it as he goes along. Okay, so basically with this game, any ball you play outside the stumps, you're out. You might switch over with your partner, okay, or you might just give yourself a mark out of 20. Okay, so I'm setting up my right eye and my head at the bowling machine, and I still want my head to go down the wicket, not across, and then I'm trusting my eye line and my instincts to pick up the ball. So that one's out, so that's just outside off stump. One thing you can practice is moving over the off stump to help your eye line pick up the ball better. That's out.